Assalamu alaikum little learners of grade 1. Today is 15th of November 2021 and the day is Wednesday. The topic we are doing this week and previously we are on multiplication. We are done with the multiplication sums. Now we are heading towards the tables. Today we have completed our last table, that is the 10 times table. We have done table of 2, 3, 4, 5 and the last one is 10. Every learner has memorized Alhamdulillah the skip counting from 2 to 5, and now the 10 times table skip counting they have also revised in the classroom, and I hope this is the easiest skip counting you can do, and you can memorize this very well and very easily. And very quickly as well. Alright, today we have done the 10 times table. For this 10 times table, first of all, what you have to do is that this time the grid is a little changed. There is 2 tens and ones, multiply tens and ones and equals to, you have to write 100 tens and ones instead of writing only tens and ones, because this time we are having the numbers of hundreds too. So it's tens and ones and equals to 100 tens and ones. Starting the table from 0. Now every time when you are going to write the table, you are going to write the table with zeros. Whether you are writing the table of 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 10, you have to start the table with 0. Alhamdulillah, you got this concept of 0 as well in the classroom. Okay, so starting the table with 10 times 0, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 30, 40 and so on. We have completed the table of 10. Then the learners have written the skip counting till skip counting till 300, and that was the interesting part, because when they jumped from 100 to 110 they got confused. Few of them said it 1100, few said it 101, 101, 110, 100 and it's 200. Many of the different answers I got when they jumped from 100 to the next number. So this practice was only to make you familiar with the numbers and how we are going to call a number. So let's memorize the skip counting once again of tens. It's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And when you move to next number, it's 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290 and 300, so on. So please memorize the table of 10 and the skip counting as well. I'll listen it from you in the online class tomorrow, inshallah ta'ala. Thank you so much, and I hope you will all memorize the skip counting of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10. I'll repeat the skip counting. You have to take out your fingers, close your fist, and one by one take out each finger and call the number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 3 skip counting. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. When you keep on repeating the numbers, now you will memorize them like nothing else in the world. They will become so easy for you. The tables will become the easiest way to do. Alright, now skip counting of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Alright, this is the way to memorize table, and the easiest way to do that is, inshallah ta'ala, you'll have a sound grasp on the table and you will memorize them inshallah soon. Alright, Allah Hafiz.